Hi everyone, I'm Li Hua and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm here today on behalf of Jinsen, London's trusted traditional Chinese medicine clinic with 2 locations in Kensington and Chelsea. For over 25 years, we have helped women naturally support their fertility, improve reproductive health, and prepare for success conception. Whether you are in London or anywhere around the world, you can access our support. We offer online consultation and shipping herbal products internationally. No matter where you are, our expert care is just a click away. Our service include acupuncture, herbal tea, and supplement kits, cupping therapy, Tuina massage, and personalized wellness planning. Jinsen treatment focus not only on symptoms, but also on identified and restore the root cause of hormonal imbalance, reproductive blockage, and ovulation issues. Today, we are diving into really important topic. Why am I not ovulation? This is one of the most common questions we receive, especially from women who have regular period but still and get pregnant. In today's video, we'll explore why ovulation might be missing, how both traditional Chinese Western medicine explain this issue differently. Let's begin with the basics. Why ovulation matters? Ovulation is when the ovary release a mature eggs. Without ovulation, there is no eggs from sperm to meet, which means natural conception couldn't happen. Even if your period seems regular, you might not be ovulating. This is sometimes called anovulated cycle. Means your body goes through the motions of menstrual cycle, but no eggs is actually released, or called empty cycle. Ovulation problems can also seriously affect IVF success. If your body doesn't respond well to stimulation, or if the eggs retrieval are immature or poor quality, fertility treatment outcomes may be disappointing. Western medicine perspective, why ovulation stops? In Western reproductive medicine, ovulation issues are usually linked to hormonal imbalance or ovary deficiency or unactive thyroid function or overactive thyroid function. Here the most common cause when PCOS disrupt the hormone signal from the brain, prevent proper eggs development. Symptoms such as irregular periods, acne, weight gain, excess hair growth, thyroid disorders. Both hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism can interfere with ovulation. Symptoms like cold hand and feet, fatigue, weight gain, lower body temperature, higher prolactin levels, elevated prolactin, perimenopause, early menopause, ovary reserve declined, hormone level become erratic, and ovulation slow or step, extremely stressed or underweight, overweight. Stress impacted hypothyroid, affecting hormone cascade that triggers ovulation. Suddenly weight loss, eating disorder, or obesity can also disrupt normal ovulation cycles. TCM perspective, what caused no ovulation? Traditional Chinese medicine has a different lens. Instead of focus on isolated hormones, TCM look at organs system, energy flow, qi, blood nourishment, and internal balance. From TCM view, these are most common root of cause: kidney deficiency. The kidney garner reproductive essence gene. Weak kidney energy result in undeveloped follicle or no eggs release. Symptoms: fatigue, back pain, lower libido, irregular or absent periods, liver qi stagnation. The liver garner qi movement and emotion balance. Stagnation disrupt the hormonal rhythm and prevent ovulation. Symptoms like mood swing, PMS, breast tenderness, irritability, blood deficiency, blood nourishment, the ovaries and uterus. A lack of blood means the follicle may be not grow or mortality. Symptoms like light periods, dizziness, pale skin, hair loss, blood stasis, or cold in the uterus. cold contract vessels and prevent eggs release, often caused by cold diet, exposure to cold, or overuse of hormone contraception pills. Symptoms like cold lower belly onward to the feet, painful period with clotting, lower energy, spring Kidney Deficiency, the spring produced blood and garnered digestion, a weaker spring failed to create the nutrition needed for healthy ovulation. Symptoms like bloating, gas, fatigue, poor appetite, loose stool, or constipation. Herbal support for ovulation. Ginseng's natural approach to help support healthy ovulation. Ginseng offers a packed supplement. Ovulation maintenance is especially formulated herbal blend made in the UK with vegan certificate ingredients, high quality. This supplement combine traditional herbals such as goji berries, astragalus root, and cordyceps with key vitamins like Q10 to promote hormonal balance and encourage regular ovulation. Whether you manage irregular cycles, prepare for IVF, or face PCOS challenges, ovulation maintenance offer nutrition and herbal to support maximize your fertility potential right from the root cause. It's available as part of personalized herbal planning and can be shipped internationally to your doorstep. What this means for you: if you're not ovulation, both Western or TCM approaches agreed some things in your body is out of balance. But while Western medicine may be prescribed hormone medicine or IVF doesn't work, so you have alternative choice. TCM take the root of cause approach by working with your body system. At Ginseng, we offer fully personalized support, online consultation with our experienced practitioners, expert team, tailored herbal supplement like ovulation maintenance delivered to your door, ongoing one-to-one guidance for diet, lifestyle, stress, emotion, healthy option, acupuncture, cupping, or you're based in London. If you can also follow our TikTok and YouTube channels and learning at least different martial arts. Qigong Taiji, where we teach fertility, this exercise to support your need. Take the first step. You deserve answer that I answer to you, and you deserve care that we will with you in deeper than symptoms control root of cause. If you suspect you are not ovulating or you have been trying for a while with no success, book your online consultation with us. We will help uncover the root of cause and guide you step by step forward, balance hormones, improve ovulation, and strengthen your fertility opportunities. So turn to this alternative medicine is another choice. Don't block you, don't stop you. So go on. Thank you for watching and take good care of yourself. I'm Lily Li Hua from Ginseng Expert Team. Thank you very much.